welcome to DreamSpin Hoops Improvers Hoop Flow video. I put this video together to inspire you to be able to create your own choreography, sequencing and flow with your hoop. It's all about inspiring you. There may be some moves that you don't recognise, and if you don't, you can head over to my online improvers classes on my website and find the moves there. Or if there's a move that you don't recognise, you can just bring in your own move instead. And ultimately that's what this video is about. It's to inspire you to create your own flow. So you've probably got by now a whole load of hoop tricks, but you might not be sure how to put them together. And this is where I'm going to help you with the transitions, and I will do slow-mo and captions just to help you figure out and show you what I'm doing. And again, it's all about inspiring you. So let's get hooping.